Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this collage video inside of a logo on Capcut PC. So I'm just going to simply add in a black background to this first. So I'm going to change this, and I'm going to, let me just adjust this to the logo first. I'm just going to right click, create compound clip. Add it like on the second layer. And you're just going to start adding in some videos that you'd like to add. Like maybe this one. It's better if your logo is like wider and has more space. Just go to blend mode and select the darken one. And we're just going to simply add videos like this, making sure that the logo always stays at the very top. Again, I just selected the darken mode for it. And you're just going to kind of like adjust it by scaling it and adding it like next to each other, or I don't know, it's totally up to you how you want to add this in. Whoops, do not replace clip. Oh my god, I keep on replacing clip. I need to put it like here. There you go. And again, just scale it and like maybe put it to the right side or like down here. But just make sure it doesn't really collide with each other, I guess. Like that, and I'll just put one like here. And then I'll put like one last one. You can add more, of course, if you'd like to, but I'm just going to add in one last one. Which video do I want to use? Like maybe this one. And again, just resize it and place it there. And that is it. Just edit it again, because like there's like some parts that are like kind of like awkward. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!